Hi everyone. Today we will do one problem from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. This is from the topic divisibility. If the square of an odd natural number is divided by 8, then the remainder will be, that is a question. 4 options are also given in this problem. See, the even number starts from 0. 0 is also even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, like that it goes on. Generally, we used to tell 2n as the even number, general form. Similarly, odd number starts from 1, 3, starts from 1 only. Am I right? So 1, 3, 5, like that it goes on. So general representation of an odd number is 2n plus 1 because even number plus 1 will give you odd number. What is the square of an odd number? That is 2n plus 1 the whole square. First I am taking n value as 1. When n is equal to 1, what is 2n plus 1 the whole square? 2 into 1 plus 1 the whole square. That is 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 square is 9. See what is there in the question. If the square of an odd natural number is divided by 8, then what is the remainder? So I have to divide this by 8. When you divide it by 8, when you divide 9 by 8, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. Am I right? Okay, let us check for the other number. When n is equal to 2, what is 2n plus 1 the whole square? 2 into 2 plus 1 the whole square, that is 5 square, that is 25. When you divide 25 by 8, what is the remainder again? That is 3 times 3 8s are 24, 1 over 8. Remainder is 1 only. So when you divide any square of an odd number by 8, definitely the remainder will be 1 only. So correct option is A. Correct option A option. Answer is 1. Thank you.